Hello team, so welcome in this meeting. It's my pleasure to have meeting with you. So as the employees of Archimoject company. So it's my pleasure as a client to be with you because I'm going to share with you the different things that I have been working on. I prepared the report that shows the best analysis of the different countries that Akim want to operate in. So first of all, it is very important to do a best analysis for any company or any business that want to run globally because best analysis allow the company or business to analyze and monitor the external factors that can either impact the business negatively or positively. So that's why also I try to do a best analysis for the different country that Akim want to operate so that to show those factors that Akim should consider while operating in those different countries. So I did the best analysis for France because the Akim also want to expand itself in France. Also I did best analysis for India because also Akim want to do its business there. The other country is China because also the Akim need to expand itself from there. The last country that I did for a best analysis is Vietnam because the Vietnam, as you know, the Akim want to build the manufacturing plant from the Vietnam. So those four best analysis shows the political factors, economical factors, and social factors, technological factors, legal factors, as well as environmental factors for each country. So, and those factors, I believe that will help the ACM to perform well or to know what to do and how to do the things and when to do the right thing so that to avoid the conflict with either government or society that it is operating in. So also the other thing that I have been working on is it's a comparison between the United States with those three nations that company wants to operate in. So I did the comparison between the cultural comparison between United States and the France. Also the cultural comparison between United States and China. And other thing is cultural comparison between United States and India. So those cultural comparison were based on the six dimensions such as power distance, masculinity, uncertainty avoidance, and long-term orientation, individualism, as well as intelligence. So other thing that also I worked on or I tried to find their meaning the different key terms, but I want to emphasize on three important key terms that the company can also consider while working globally. So the first one is trade barrier. So first of all, trade barrier described that the government imposed restrictions on the flow of international goods or services. So for example, can take tariff where the government or impose the tax on the import the good that will be bought the good that will be bought from the different countries. So the trade barriers are there to protect the infant industry because if the government impose the high taxes on import goods, the local industries will find the customers which will help them to grow. So there is also tariff. As I said, tariff are the the charges or taxes that's imposed by government or in some countries or on import, so that they can also protect those the local industries. So the tariffs are paid to the customs authority of a country imposing the tariffs. So there are people who are there for who are responsible for asking for tariffs, and also they are used to protect domestic employment, protecting the customers, protecting infant industries and others. So another thing that ACM should consider is knowing exchange rates. The exchange rate refers to the rate at which one currency or currency of one country can be exchanged to a currency of another country. So there are different factors that influence the exchange rate. For example, the differential in inflation, because the different countries can face the inflation which are different. Also, there is a differential in interest rates depending on the country. There is a currency account deficit because of also the different country. Also, there is to public debt, terms of trade, political stabilities, and economic performance. All those factors can affect or influence the exchange rates. So taking an example of the exchange rate, by looking at $1 can equal to can be exchanged into the or can be the same as the 5.778 78 the of a currency of the France. Also $1 can be or can have a value which is the same as the 69.53 the Indian currency. Also the $1 can be or can value the same as 6.90 of the China currency. So I believe that those information that I come up will help the Akim team that will be operating or marketing in the three nations will help or give the ideas on how the company can act or do according to or depending on those factors, and those three terms, the three key terms. So thank you.